Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing the benefits of mint. Mint is a common herb that is widely used in cooking, tea, and in many other products for its refreshing flavor. But did you know that mint has a lot more to offer besides just its flavor? In this video, we'll be exploring the various health benefits of mint and why you should include it in your diet. Benefit number 1. Aids digestion. One of the most well-known benefits of mint is its ability to aid digestion. Mint has a calming effect on the digestive tract, which can relieve symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas. It also has antispasmodic properties, which can relieve cramps and soothe an upset stomach. Benefit number 2. Supports respiratory health. Mint is also known for its benefits for respiratory health. The menthol in mint can help clear congested airways and relieve symptoms of allergies, colds, and flu. It can also help reduce coughing and provide relief for sore throat. Benefit number 3. Boosts energy. Mint has a refreshing and invigorating aroma, which can help boost energy levels and increase focus. It can also help improve your mood and reduce stress. Benefit number 4. Supports oral health. Mint can also be beneficial for oral health. Its antimicrobial properties can help fight bad breath and reduce the risk of gum disease. Chewing on mint leaves or using mint-flavored products can help freshen your breath and promote a healthy mouth. Benefit number 5. Relieves headaches. Mint can also be used to relieve headaches. Its cooling and soothing properties can help reduce pain and tension in the head and neck. Simply rubbing some mint oil on your temples or inhaling its scent can provide relief for headaches. Conclusion. In conclusion, mint is not only a tasty herb but also a versatile ingredient that has numerous health benefits. Whether you're looking to improve your digestion, boost energy, or relieve headaches, mint can be a useful addition to your diet. So, next time you're making tea or cooking a meal, consider adding some fresh mint leaves to the mix and enjoy all the benefits it has to offer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of the benefits of mint. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness videos. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.